Good morning, YouTubers. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Over the last couple of days, I've focused my study on some of the elements necessary to prove or just make your case that much stronger for the FTC. What does it take for the FTC to take on this particular investigation, and how we make it more likely that they will pursue not only an informal investigation, but a formal one down the line. And one of the things that I really need information on, I was hoping you can provide it to me, because I'm focusing on some of the legal research. I need some help in finding some of the business research, and since I'm considering you my distributed law firm, if any of you have some time and can search for that, that'd be really helpful. I need information about the credit card processing industry from a business perspective. I know that there's a study out there, I believe, on the website that tells you about different percentages of different companies, so you get a sense of who has what percentage of the market. That's a good start, but I'm looking for much more than that. So whether or not there were articles written by journalists, whether or not there's some articles in any magazines, maybe some of the publications like the Wall Street Journal or Bloomberg looking at the credit card processing, could be also out of universities, could be also industry associations. A lot of these companies are together as part of different industry association. My gut feeling tells me that probably 4 or 5 different associations. They run different studies about their own market for their own members. That'll be helpful. What I'm looking for is not only information about, what percentages PayPal or Stripe or anybody else has, but also a little more finer details than that. Is there differences in how much market ownership there is when it comes to online retailers versus offline and real world kind of retailers? Because there might be a lot more credit card processing available if you have a store on Main Street versus if you have an online store. Plus, maybe looking at some of the feature differences that different services provide. There might be a lot of different credit card processors providing basic transactional work. If you buy something, this is how you pay for it, but probably far fewer that providing donations or providing recurring payments, which is really a big part of the market that we're looking at. Plus, there could be literally any sort of information about retailers or anybody or any other applicant's ability to acquire an account with a credit card processor. So any sort of research looking into that, whether or not there's differences, there are differences in different parts of the country, different industries, anything that provides information on how the credit card processing industry actually works, where there is market power, where there might be areas which are more consolidated, where there's fewer players that control the vast majority versus the general credit card processing industry. Any information like that would be of great deal of help. For now, if you find stuff, feel free to email me at the email I'll provide below. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything I can help you with, just leave it down there. I'd love to talk to you. I'll see you next time.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault.